Qualified settlement funds may be the single best strategy for today's complex cases. You know, 25 years ago, 27 years ago, I guess it was, when I started in this business, we could routinely go to a mediation on a Friday afternoon, settle a client's case, have the settlement documents the very next week, all signed and delivered back to the defendants, who would then exchange a check for those settlement agreements, which would go into the plaintiff attorney's account, would clear in 3 to 4 days, and literally in 2 weeks' time, maybe 3 at the max, we would have money in our client's hands, money that was desperately needed to take care of back payments on their mortgage, get a new car, et cetera, et cetera. Unfortunately, these settlements in these cases now, 27 years later, have become so complex with Medicare, Medicaid issues, ERISA health plan issues, and other issues that have to be dealt with before distribution can occur in a settlement, that instead of 2 to 3 weeks, it's taking 2 to 3 months, sometimes 3, 4, 5, 6 months before we can actually get money in the client's hands. There's a solution to that, and it's been in the tax code since 1989. It's called a qualified settlement fund. The qualified settlement fund came into existence in 1989. Congress put it into the tax code. It was a needed revision to assist really in the mass tort market, to make it easier for mass torts to be settled and for defendants to buy their piece, pay their money in, and walk away with a full current year tax deduction. Fast forward to today, it's the perfect solution in today's cases where we've got a multitude of issues to deal with at the time of settlement and just after, and yet everybody needs to get paid. Using a qualified settlement fund, we can settle with the defendants on a Friday, do the documents over the next week and get a court approval, get the defendant's money into the qualified settlement fund. They get a full, complete, and irrevocable release, which is everything they want, and now we're left with the money in a neutral position, but still in a position where we can get the attorney's fees and costs paid so they can pay their experts and pay their staff and their overhead, while our clients continue to make decisions and get advice on all these other areas that are affecting their plan, the Medicare, Medicaid advice, SNTs, MSAs, etc. Also, we can get an interim payment to our clients to hold them over until the big decisions are done. So instead of waiting 2 to 6 months or more before anybody sees a dime, using a QSF means that everybody can start to get some money now while decisions continue to be made about all the other big important issues. The Qualified Settlement Fund, Trust Fund, is a tool whose time has come. My prediction is in the future, you simply will not see catastrophic cases settled without a qualified settlement fund. It just makes too much sense. They're easy to set up. They're not that expensive to set up. And they're easy to administer, and the benefits are tremendous. It's faster for everybody involved. The claimant can get money sooner, the attorney can get money sooner, and it allows everybody else involved in the case, all the other experts that are working on special needs trusts and the Medicare and Medicaid issues and the ERISA liens, it allows them enough time to do their job professionally without the duress of being pressured because our clients need money desperately to stave off foreclosure or some other issue.